Hi friends, in this video let us understand how to measure the length of microorganisms or any specimens using stage and ocular micrometer within 5 to 10 minutes. This yeast cell and the bud, the length is calculated as 22.4 micrometer. How we did this measurement, let us see. The first component is the stage micrometer. Stage micrometer is a precise microscopic ruler etched onto a standard glass microscopic slide, as you see here. So this is placed on the stage, that's why it is called a stage micrometer. So a precise microscopic ruler is etched onto this slide. This is used to calibrate the ocular micrometer that we will be discussing shortly, that is placed inside the eyepiece. We know the scale of stage micrometer. One division is equal to 0.01 millimeter, that is equal to 0.01 into 1000, that is 10 micrometer apart. So this is how a stage micrometer looks like under the microscope. So these are the divisions. The distance between these adjacent points is 10 micrometer. Lines are 0.01 millimeter apart or 10 micrometers apart. Now the second component, which is called the ocular micrometer. It is a small glass disc, as you see here, with a ruled scale etched onto it, and that is placed directly inside the eyepiece. That's why it is called as ocular of the microscope. So it acts like a measuring tube when we place or superimpose over the field of view, allowing us to measure the length and width of the specimen. So we need to calibrate this ocular micrometer using stage micrometer for a specific magnification. For 10x, we need to calibrate. If we want to do the measurement in 20x, we need to calibrate once again in 20x. That is for a specific magnification. So this is ocular micrometer that is placed inside the eyepiece. This circular microscopic slide is placed inside the eyepiece. That is why it is called as ocular. So this is the ocular micrometer. Now let us measure the length of the specimen. The first step is we need to calibrate this ocular micrometer. Align and calibrate. Superimpose the stage micrometer with the ocular micrometer. So this is how we superimpose. We need to align it perfectly. This is the ocular micrometer, and the above one is the stage micrometer. The second step is we need to calculate ocular division value. Count the number of ocular micrometer division within the division of stage micrometer. So let us do it together. Let me zoom in. So as you see, this is the first line in the stage micrometer. This is the second point. So we need to count the ocular micrometer divisions between these adjacent lines. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 7. So one stage micrometer division is equal to 7 ocular micrometer divisions. So we know the value of one stage micrometer division, that is or 10 micrometer. So it's very easy to calculate one ocular micrometer division, that is 0.01 by 7. That is 0.0014 millimeter. We can convert that into micrometer. That is 0.0014 into 1000. That is 1.4 micrometer. So one ocular micrometer division is 1.4 micrometer in 10x. Suppose we did all these steps in 10x or lower. One ocular micrometer division is equal to 0.0014 millimeter or 1.4 micrometer. So we have calibrated the ocular micrometer division in 10x using a stage micrometer. Now let us calculate the length of the specimen. Replace the stage micrometer with the specimen slide. So this is the specimen slide. So you can see an yeast cell with a bud Step 2 is measure the specimen. Observe the yeast cell and its bud against this ocular micrometer that is placed inside this eyepiece. Count the number of ocular micrometer divisions that this organism or yeast cell and the bud spans from end to end. So let us count these together. As you see, this is the yeast cell and a bud. You can see from here it is 1, 2, 3 followed by 10, that is 13, then 1, 2, 3. Total number of ocular micrometer divisions that this yeast cell and the bud spans is 16. 3, 10, 3, that is 16. So yeast cell and its bud, that is 16 ocular micrometer divisions. Now it is very easy to calculate. We know that 1 ocular micrometer division is equal to 1.4 micrometer. So we have already calibrated using a stage micrometer. Now we know that 1 ocular micrometer division is equal to 1.4 micrometer. So it's very easy. Total length of the specimen is equal to 16. So we got 16 ocular micrometer divisions for the yeast cell and its bud. 16 into 1.4 micrometer, that is 22.4 micrometer. So that is the length of this yeast cell and bud. And that is the length of yeast cell and its bud, 22.4 micrometer in 10x magnification. And this is how we get this value, 22.4 micrometer. If you have any doubt, watch this video again. Hope you are benefited from this video. Please make sure to subscribe, share and like. That means a lot. Take care. Stay blessed. Thank you so much. You are with biologyexams4u.com.